Hello there and welcome to our channel. Has anyone of you heard the recent discoveries by NASA's Voyager 1 spacecraft? Today's topic focuses on NASA's Voyager 1, which sends back anonymous data from beyond our solar system, leaving scientists with more questions than answers. But this latest discovery is extraordinary, and we can't wait to share all the details with you. We are being treated to an incredible feat, considering Voyager's journey started 45 years ago. So kindly stay tuned to learn more about this groundbreaking and shocking discovery. Please remember to subscribe to our channel, like this video, and tell us what you think in the comments section. We would love to hear from you. You can also hit the notification bell for our upcoming content on exciting scientific wonders. Enjoy! The mystery of Voyager 1's mysterious data. After it was launched in 1977, Voyager 1 immediately embarked on an expedition to explore the solar system's outer planets. As anticipated, the spacecraft completed this mission, allowing humanity to gain valuable knowledge about these distant worlds. Voyager 1 would then continue the journey, traveling into deep space. Much of what was anticipated by scientists at NASA was achieved, no major surprises at this point. NASA's Voyager 1 is weirdly sending back anonymous data as it continues its journey beyond the solar system, leaving scientists and authorities scratching their heads. The discoveries have led to further investigations, as scientists grapple with this incredible wonder, definitely not what they had anticipated. A whole detailed story about this can be found at space.com. Voyager 1 became the first spacecraft to enter interstellar space in 2012, and since then, it has been sending back mysteriously unexpected and concerning data to Earth. The discoveries include the latest data on a persistent hum. Voyager 1 recently sent baffling data that detected a constant yet low-level humming sound, which has increased in frequency over the last few years. Scientists refer to this phenomenon as the persistent hum. It has never been observed before, and NASA scientists are trying to understand what it means and its implications for the universe. A possible cause of the persistent hum is the interaction between the interstellar medium and the magnetic field produced by the spacecraft. Changes in cosmic rays and the magnetic field detected by the spacecraft show a mismatch to what scientists anticipated encountering in the interstellar medium. Another possibility is that vibrations in the plasma surrounding the spacecraft cause it. More on the cause of the persistent hum can be found on this link. Scientists are still studying the data to try to determine the source of the hum and the cause of these anomalies. One study opined that Voyager 1 entered a space region influenced by a closer star. Another argues that the spacecraft is encountering structures and unseen phenomena in the interstellar medium that scientists cannot yet fathom. Voyager's data on increased space density and reduced speed of solar wind particles. Lately, Voyager 1 sent back some concerning data that showed increased space density around the spacecraft and a decreased speed of solar wind particles. Source: NASA. Scientists deduce from this data that the spacecraft recently entered a new region of space different from the one it had been in for the past 4 decades. The observations also mean that Voyager 1 is possibly moving into another interstellar medium and therefore getting nearer to the very edge of the solar system. According to NASA, the spacecraft, through its Attitude Articulation and Control System, AACS, recently sent data that showed that while the spacecraft is still operating properly, readouts from the AACS suggest that Voyager does not align with the movements and orientation expected. This could mean that Voyager might be disoriented and need clarification about its location. The AACS is crucial as it helps Voyager send data to NASA about the surrounding interstellar environment. More information about the AACS can be found at Science Alert through this link. Interestingly, NASA argued that the root cause for receiving the concerning data could be that the AACS fell short in elaborating on the measures NASA engineers are taking to rectify any possible defects in its operation. More information about possible problems with the AACS can be found at the Sun through this link. The importance of Voyager 1's findings. The spacecraft's findings have been instrumental in our understanding of the outer solar system. Its mission has been extended several times due to its remarkable longevity and ability to collect and send valuable data. The recent discovery of the persistent hum is a prime example of Voyager 1's incredible work in expanding the scope of knowledge. Importantly, these discoveries have significant implications for our understanding of the universe. They suggest there may be more discoveries and findings as spacecraft continue to venture into interstellar space than we previously imagined. Moreover, the recent developments highlight the importance of continued exploration and discovery, as there is still so much we do not know about the universe we live in. The origins and journey of Voyager 1. To appreciate the importance of Voyager's latest discovery, it is necessary to know its history and development. In September 1977, NASA launched Voyager 1, and it has since been traveling through space for the past 45 years. We can learn more about this journey at Science Alert through this link. NASA's mission was to explore the outer planets of our solar system through Voyager 1. The spacecraft would fly by Jupiter, Saturn, Uranus, and Neptune, providing incredible up-close views. It completed the planetary missions and continued on the same trajectory out of the solar system. The Voyager spacecraft is now approximately 14 billion miles away from Earth and still going. Before leaving the solar system, the spacecraft entered the heliosheath, the outer layer of the solar system. This region posed a significant challenge to the spacecraft. We can find more about the heliosheath at this link. More about Voyager 1's journey through the heliosheath can be found at NASA. Beyond the solar system, the spacecraft entered interstellar space, with vast distances between stars. Discover more about Voyager's journey in interstellar space at BBC News and through this link. The Golden Record. One of the fascinating things about the spacecraft is that it carries a special message called the Golden Record, which contains sounds, images, and greetings from Earth in the hope that it will communicate with extraterrestrial life. Learn more about this message at National Geographic and NASA through the link. The pale blue dot. One of the most iconic moments of Voyager 1 is capturing an image of Earth from interstellar space. This image is famously known as the pale blue dot. This fascinating photo inspired a fresh perspective of Earth's place in the universe. More about the photo can be learned at NASA. Voyager 1's discoveries have widened our knowledge of the solar system and interstellar space. Besides capturing images of the solar system, other significant discoveries include moons and planets, leaving an indelible mark on space exploration. Voyager 1 and Earth. The Voyager 1 spacecraft is approximately 14 billion miles away from Earth, making it the farthest man-made object from our planet. Moreover, Voyager's signals take over 20 hours to reach Earth. The technologies installed in the spacecraft enable it to transmit collected data from that distance to Earth, assisting in making critical observations on its progress and interstellar space in the solar system. Source: NASA. The spacecraft is expected to stop functioning by 2025, according to Australica Space through this link. The technology behind Voyager 1. Voyager 1's advanced technology has continually enabled the spacecraft to send data back to Earth for over 4 decades. It is powered by a triple set of thermoelectric generators, which convert heat generated by the decay of radioactive isotopes into electric energy. Voyager's 3 radioisotope thermoelectric generators help maintain a consistent self-supply of electrical energy, enabling it to continue traveling. Additionally, Voyager 1 carries various scientific instruments, such as cameras and gadgets that detect particles and magnetometers, allowing it to analyze the space environment in detail. Voyager 1's power source, derived from its nuclear batteries, has enabled it to keep running in deep space, making it the longest operating spacecraft in history. For more on this, kindly visit space.com. The spacecraft's technology also includes a system called the Deep Space Network, which uses antennas to receive signals from far-off space regions. The spacecraft's mission, a scientific win for human engineering, Voyager 1 is still functioning after 45 years of continuous journeying, a remarkable achievement and a triumph of human engineering. The spacecraft's mission has had a lasting impact on space exploration. Given the latest discoveries, where we are treated to unprecedented data coming from Voyager, we can only look forward to what the future holds for more puzzling and exciting discoveries by Voyager 1. The smallest evidence of life in interstellar space or movements of objects could culminate in one of the greatest discoveries by a spacecraft. But that remains to be seen, if ever it will happen. Human knowledge has massively benefited from what the spacecraft has achieved and discovered. Voyager 1's legacy and its place in history. Voyager 1 has been a trailblazer in space exploration and continues to inspire future missions. The spacecraft holds a special place in history. Its achievements have inspired generations of scientists and engineers, and its discoveries have deepened humanity's understanding of the universe. As we continue sending more exploratory spacecraft, Voyager 1 remains a symbol of our collective desire to push the boundaries of knowledge to the best of our abilities. Voyager 1's mission has been an incredible success, providing a wealth of knowledge about planetary space, planets, the outer solar system, and beyond. The discoveries include the first-ever close-up images of Jupiter's moons, active volcanoes on Io, and the detection of the heliosphere and the bubble of charged particles surrounding the solar system. Moreover, the spacecraft carries a golden record containing sounds and images from Earth, intended to communicate with extraterrestrial civilizations that might be encountered in the future. The future of Voyager 1 and the possibility of future discoveries. Scientists expect Voyager 1 to enter new environments and encounter new phenomena as it continues its journey through interstellar space. The worrying fact that scientists are aware of is that over time, the spacecraft's power will eventually deplete, making it impossible to send data back to Earth. It is estimated that the spacecraft will continue traveling through space for the next 10 to 20 years before its power supply is exhausted. Source: NASA. Before then, we expect Voyager 1 to continue its trajectory with a message from humanity to deep space, making further discoveries. The potential findings we can gather from the spacecraft could provide us with even more knowledge about the universe we live in. That's all for today and marks the end of this video on NASA's Voyager 1 spacecraft. We sincerely hope you enjoyed it and found it informative and interesting. Remember to subscribe to our channel and comment below with your thoughts on the Voyager 1 discovery. We would also love to hear what you found most intriguing about Voyager's latest discovery. Thank you for watching.